Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make frame art. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a frame, your chosen artwork, a mat board, and a backing board. Consider the frame style and size to best suit your art. A mat board adds a professional touch and creates space between the art and glass. Don't forget basic tools like a ruler, a sharp craft knife, and some archival adhesive for a clean finish. Now, let's move on to precise measuring and cutting. Begin by accurately measuring your artwork and the frame's inner opening. Next, determine the outer dimensions of your mat board to fit the frame and the inner opening to frame your art. Remember to cut the mat opening about 1/8 of an inch smaller than your artwork on each side. Use a specialized mat cutter or a very sharp craft knife with a straight edge for clean, professional results. With your mat cut, it's time to assemble your art. Carefully center your artwork behind the mat board opening, ensuring even borders. Use archival, acid-free tape to secure the top edge of your artwork to the mat, allowing for natural expansion and contraction. Then, place the mat and artwork assembly onto the backing board. Before closing, give the frame's glass a thorough cleaning to remove any dust or smudges, ensuring a pristine display. For the final steps, carefully insert all the assembled layers, the glass, mat, artwork, and backing, into your chosen frame. Secure the backing board firmly using the frame's existing fasteners, ensuring everything is snug and protected. Next, attach appropriate hanging hardware such as D-rings and picture wire to the back of the frame. Finally, select a suitable location to proudly display your beautiful, custom-framed artwork, adding a personal touch to your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.